Perfect. Am I the only degen? Am I the only one watching what's happening right now on the screen? I don't think so. And I almost promise you right now, I don't think so. What is going on, everybody? We got a nice red alert. Days ago, we had a green alert. And I'm like, let's go, everybody. I like that. But right now, are you ready? Because if you've been watching us, guys, if you've been following the channel, if you are paying attention to what's happening, and we've been telling you here, we are waiting for a delicious, nice dip. And it seems that that's what's something that we're getting right now. It's a bunch of news and updates, honestly, as far as Trump. Today, I was eating breakfast and I was watching that on Fox Business, Fox News, like so many headliners. And well, I mean, just get ready, man. Just get ready because things are going to get pretty real, good and better. But it's just kind of like we have this transition of whales trying to liquidate other people. So don't worry, guys. We're just starting. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys, and consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Welcome. How is the community doing right now? Yo, what's up? Man, I wonder who has some decent cash on hand to deploy and buy the dip for XRP, for Edera HBAR, for Algorand. So let's see if in the next couple of minutes, everybody, you and I can get some trades, all right? How's everybody doing right now? Question in the chat right now. Question in the chat. Let me go ahead and get my polling info right now coming in as we're seeing some more retracements. Oh boy, 227. Where are you at, buddy? Welcome to the 500 people watching us right now. Welcome, welcome. Look, many times Oscar Ramos is wrong, okay? I'm not a genie. I'm not the brightest guy you can meet here on YouTube. I am not, okay? And that's okay. I live life. But after 4 years in crypto, I know how to recognize a fake bullish momentum that I just say, I'm not going to buy anything until I see some butters coming in, some bears coming in, some people calling me names and calling me a scammer. When people start calling me a scammer, then I'm finally like, oh yes, okay, we're getting hotter, right? We're getting warmer. Because when they start calling me names and that you don't know what you're talking about and that this and that, that's when I know we're going in the right direction as far as price predictions, right? It's just what it is, fam. I hate to break it to you guys, but it is what it is. What's going on? Peter Pablo in the house. Emily watching. Riverside is here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How much XRP do you have? I have decent, and nobody is forced to reveal your bags, okay? Nobody is forced to scammer, lol. It's true, bro. So I got some delicious water. No red candles drinking, but soon, you know me. All right, everybody. So huge favor to the entire community. Drop a like right now because that's going to help us reach to more friends and to tell people what in the world is going on, right? Because, oh boy. Why don't we go ahead and bring Bitcoin to the equation right now here. Oh, I have Telegram. Let me close this one. Okay, we have XRP on one side, and here, let's go ahead and bring Bitcoin. Are we on 96 now? Oh, baby. 96 delicious $1,000. Look at that. Oscar. Yep, I knew this was going to happen. I knew something. It's just crazy, you know, because Donald J. Trump is coming super soon. And why do we see these sell-offs? Well, because people want to kill each other, bro. People want to kill each other. I mean, people are here to liquidate each other. And today we saw this. Let me show you, fam. What is happening, my friends? Welcome, welcome. So many news, so many news. Look. Justin, this happened about 3 hours ago. So if you're already at the 3 hours of liquidations, I think we are in the 500 million liquidations today. I think so. We're in the 500 million liquidations today. No problem at all. Let me go ahead and make myself a little bit smaller right here. We'll go ahead and give it a like. Now, the question in the chat, sorry, I forgot about that. XRP heading next. And let's go ahead and do this. Let's do this. And let's do this. And let's do this. And let's do this. All right, guys. If you are a powerful XRP investor, take a look at this poll and tell me what you think is going to happen. XRP price heading next. Let me fix it. Right you go. Let's go. Where are we going in your humble opinion? Are we going to $3? Which means that we stop dumping right now and then we start pumping. Are we go to 210, meaning that we're gonna drop more and I'm gonna stop at 210? Are we going to 2 flat, meaning that we're gonna be dropping 27 cents and 2 flat, rejecting, right? Or are we actually going under 2, meaning more opportunities for us? Well, tell me. I want to see where people are feeling right now. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the price of BTC right here. We're at 96,000. Let me close this one for you guys. So the price really started dropping at 4 a.m. today. It's January the 7th, 4 a.m. right here. Right about here, everybody. Let's go ahead and change this ones to yellow. Let's go. So how's everybody doing, guys? Welcome. Joshua in the house. What's up, buddy? 3 won't be until after the 20th. Joe is saying 210, 180, 150. You want to go to 67 cents, man? That's crazy. What's happening to the 1,000 people joining us right now? Immediately to a decent sell-off live stream. Don't you like it, man? I love it, brother. I love it. Red alert. Red alert right now for the prices of everything right now. If Trump is going to jail, there will be a sell-off, of course, but he's not going to jail. He's not going to jail. Road to $1. The great shakeout. Yeah, I think that's something that we've been seeing right now. A lot of people saying and talking about the great shakeout. And that's what we're seeing so far. 2.27 right now and 96. Let's see what is dropping the most. Dropping the most is Punky with 11%. Jasmine. It's like the last 3 days we have seen the prices, right, doing really well. And I already knew, like, I mean, it's just crazy. I already knew. Let me go ahead and just keep my cash safe and sound. Now, to those asking, Oscar, where are we buying more XRP? Well, that is a great question, right? And the answer is here. I am greedy and I don't mind saying it. There it is. There it is. That's the level I'm looking at. 206. 206, 204. That's kind of like what I'm looking at to add more XRP. Why? Well, because I'm following my symmetrical wedge and I'm okay waiting to get to that symmetrical wedge price, which is going to be 206, right? I have my PPF indicator right here, which I'm showing you guys, which is at 226, which honestly, I think we're going to go to 220. Let me add the volume. Oh, there it is. So look at the volume here. I know it's a little busy right there, but some of my TA friends will still be able to see it. I'm going to hide this one. I think it's going to be a little bit better, right? So this symmetrical wedge right now, as you can tell right here, I mean, it's so clearly, On Saturday and Friday, the price of XRP started dropping. This is what we call a bear trap. Sorry, a bull trap. This is a massive, fat, and delicious bull trap. Okay? And we're gonna face more bull traps. And I knew that was a bull trap, and I didn't want to go in. This is what I was expecting. Now, I am holding till we drop more. And I don't care if 206, you already have a lot of FUD. I'm buying at that level, even though the price can go much lower. I'm buying at this. I'm deploying money. Yeah, that's kind of where I'm seeing right now. Jalen is saying, I got tired of waiting for the dip, so I bought 3 other coins yesterday. Of course, XRP drops the day after I commit to others yesterday. Jalen, if you're new to this space, new to the channel, we've been telling all my community, for the last couple of days, Friday, Thursday, like I've been telling you already, guys, that when we put this level on Friday, I'm like, okay, I think so. It's time for us to come down. But as I mentioned before, it takes days. It just doesn't happen on the exact same day. It takes a few days because people wanna bleed it out. It just happens. What is going on? My future high percentage of the house. What's up? Okay, I did it. The same thing around the same time period, January the 7th, January the 25th. Then it shoot up right after. Woohoo! Future. I'm seeing what you're doing in the comments, Future. My moderator and I, we've been seeing, all the help that you're bringing us to the comments right when I finish these live streams. And I just want to say thank you, Future. And I'm going to make you a standard moderator for the loyalty, for the work. Appreciate it. So the only thing I'm going to ask you is whenever you see spam, help us remove it. That's it. That's it. Spam from bots, right? But other than that, I always want to give back to my community. So there you have it. Now you will be able to see some comments and you can just remove only the spam. The FUD, I can handle that. All right? Appreciate it, brother. Welcome. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Now you're going to have a beautiful blue color. DC in the house. What's up, everybody? Welcome. Oscar, prepare. We're going lower. I'm ready. I'm absolutely ready, man. 100% ready right here. Man, they're trying to scare you out of your position. They won't scare me out of my position. I'm locked and loaded. Locked and loaded, man. Nice, man. River in the side. Sweet. Emily watching. What's happening? I mean, say goodbye to the Gulf of Mexico. Basically, I mean, I think there's a lot of things happening right now when it comes to news and headlines. I posted this one earlier today, right? So much happening right here. I mean, I think people are trying to understand, right, the changes in the economy. Like if I open up the stock market right now, I would see some changes too. So it kind of makes sense, right? When there's a big press conference, I think it lasted over 1 hour. Everybody's watching, and some people are seeing things that they are not liking. That's why, I will say the sell-off. Because other than that, fam, we got some great news when it comes to Ripple. We mentioned this one earlier today, right? Ripple partners with Chainlink Link to enhance the utility of RUSD across on-chain economy, right? Right? So that's pretty good news in my opinion. That's amazing news for RUSD, for XRP. I mean, there you have it. Slum Doge Millionaire. Why is everything dumping, right? So what is this? Okay. So there's going to be a bunch more liquidations. I'm expecting that, people kind of want to see their crypto positions bleed. I get it, man. Wonderful play by the whales to scare people from the market right before the presidential inauguration. What is going on, Am Knight? Happy to see you, man. Oh, yes, dude. A few more days and we're going to see some major pumps. Just have to wait for the end of that symmetrical wedge, guys. Right now, we have bread, Jasmine, 10%. Jasmine, 10%. That's really sexy. It's a lot of different. Look at that. When this happened just on Monday, just yesterday, we had a 1 month high for the price of Jasmine, and now we're in the buy zone right here for Jasmine at 35, 0.35. Pepe's. Ooh, look at Pepe, man. That is a nice entry, maybe for the. I'm watching the 1 hour. Look at Pepe. That is a decent entry, if you're trading. For those traders watching me right now on the screen, what's up, fam? That is a decent one. But you'll have to take a look at other different things. I'm not talking about Pepe much here. I'm just telling you, to keep an eye on Pepe. Dogecoin. Ooh, Dogecoin. Yeah, I think meme coins right now, once again, a big shakeout, a big sell-off for the entire crypto industry, basically today. For the entire crypto industry. Bulls have been trapped. You never talk about BNB. And you're right, CEC. You're right. I never talk about BNB. I don't need to talk about BNB. It's just not in my portfolio right now. But I have so much respect for Binance because Binance is the number one, as of today. So they don't need anybody. I mean, they already built the greatest exchange, right? And that's why Crypto.com and Coinbase and many others are trying, right, to get to that level. But Binance, they don't need anybody. I mean, Binance can do it on its own. That's what it is. Oscar in the building. What's up, everybody? 1,300 people watching us, guys. And drop a like. Consider subscribing to the channel, fam. Turn on those notification bells. We're watching some pretty nice sell-offs today. Let me go ahead and bring you the bubbles right now on the screen. Oh, yes. We got the alerts on right here too, fam. So once you subscribe, we'll go ahead and get to see you. You guys remember that about three lives ago, everything was green, right? Now we're seeing some double digits, some 1-digit drop at this time right now in the banter bubbles. Kind of tells me that it's time for us to retrace before we have a major breakout in anticipation to the inauguration, right? 5% down and people go nuts. If you're trading, you do. Idaho. Why? Because people are getting liquidated right now. 205. By now, if I open up the liquidations, let me see. Bitcoin liquidations. I mean, that is Bitcoin, but there was another page. Take a look at this. Longs, right? Longs are the ones that are going to get super destroyed. What is this? No. Anyway, I'll put it this way. We have in the 1 hour, 37 million. Liquidations long, 34 million. 12 hours, 346 million liquidations right here. In the last 24 hours. In the last 24 hours. In the last 12, that's a lot of money. In the last 4 hours. Okay, here it is. There you go. In the last 4 hours, 266 million liquidations. See that? In the longs. So there was a lot of money that they really wanted to see with those liquidations. Man. Exchange liquidations right now long. $112 million liquidated from Binance right now. A lot of people getting destroyed. Bunch of longs. Real-time liquidations right now. Look at this. So, welcome to crypto, right? You never know. You never know. Bitcoin right now. Bunch of liquidations too. So we are still keeping an eye on everything, fam, as you know. it is the name of the market. It is what it is, and we're gonna continue going ahead. What is this? We got even more news and updates, guys, from Paul. He says over the objection of the SEC judge has granted our motion for leave to pursue an appeal and stay the district court litigation. We appreciate the court careful consideration. Yep. It comes to show that there's a lot of things going on, even for Coinbase CEO, Chief Legal Officer right now. I'll go ahead and take a look at that one later today. Remember, the SEC sought an appeal in the Ripple case, citing some of the same things Coinbase did in this petition for the appeal. Congrats to Brian Armstrong and the entire Coinbase team. Well done. It's a few things that we have to be careful, right? Especially as we're waiting for a big day later in January. How's everybody doing? If you are still holding with me some cash on the side, well done. I'm going to tell you right now that we have about $6,000 ready and able to be deployed. 6,000 in the chat right now. Tell me, where do you think the best set of coins to invest such kind of money? Because I want to put it in HBAR, XRP, and maybe bread, HBAR, XRP, bread, and could be Algorand. So many tokens. Okay, I'm seeing right now in the chat, Cardano, XLM2, all of it on XLM, you tell me, right? It's dumping because 4.75% was set on bonds. Diamond, thank you for that, bro. Appreciate it. Jasmine, right? Flare. I've been hearing a lot of Flare right now. So this is what I'm looking at, everybody, what you're seeing right now on the screen. If for some reason we dropped under $2, I'm going phenomenally all in. Have to go all in 100%. There it is. This is what's happening, and some of my isolated trading information, but I'm going to put this one right here. There you go. Proof of work. XLM, XRP, HBAR. Stellar, XRP, and HBAR. I do have a little bit of Stellar, not much, honestly. I think right now what I'm doing is I'm just focused a lot in earning my HBAR and getting my numbers up, because I also need to get my numbers up for more XRP. I'm not going to ever hold 7 figures of XRP, but I just want to get somewhat close to a decent price, you know, where I can see like, let's go. A decent level where I don't have to work ever again, you know. We're finally seeing in the 1 hour right now a green candle. You have the 2 views of XRP right now. Welcome to the live stream. Oscar here telling you right now that we have some cash in hand. We still have some levels to go down to see even more deals. And don't worry, you know, I mean, it's all still gonna come back up eventually, but sometimes you just have to go down and get all those weekend money till you see that influx of money coming back again to the markets. That's kind of what it is. That's what happens, guys, a lot of the times, man. A lot of the times. What's up, Cheaper? Happy to see you. Welcome. This is good. Now we have a question in the chat right now in the poll, fam. XRP price heading next. Wow. That comes to show that we have a lot of bull degens. We have a lot of people very bullish that we want to see a much higher price. But guess what? It might sound surprising to some people, but I disagree with a lot of you, fam. I think we're going lower. Maybe 210, 2 flat. Okay. I don't mind saying it. I don't mind. I'm not one of those that has to always agree, fam. It's fine. We all have different opinions, right? We all have different opinions, and that's why everybody's welcome in this live stream, right? But I disagree. I think we're going lower, guys. My point. If I'm wrong, that's totally fine. And hey, I'm always learning, right? But it is what it is. Oscar, Jasmine or Flare? I will say Jasmine because I have no idea about Flare. I know there's a lot of people telling me about it for sure. It's a squeeze from weekends. Flare is good. Gotcha. Choose ADA over XLM because XLM runs with XRP, so better to put it in XRP and Cardano Hyper. Got it. Just kind of want to be a little bit more diversified, right? I get it. I get it. Let's go to BTC right now and see what's up. 96,800 right now. We got 1,500 people watching us. Smash the like button, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel right now and turn on those notification bells, fam. Let's go ahead and take a look at the prices now much closer. I already gave you a nice big picture look. So this is the 15 minutes. And let's go ahead and delete my PPF, which if you're interested, you will find it in the links down below. Get my PPF, everybody. Super awesome, you know, with Log Salgo. I really like that it's from a great company too. Bollinger Bands right there. We got him. So that is price of XRP and the price of BTC right now. Let's go ahead and delete this one and bring the Bollinger Bands to right here. Oh, look at that. Looking at the 1 hour right now, the 1 hour right now for XRP, it's all going. Look at this. Price of XRP and the price of BTC, the two of them are literally sliding over that bottom pane in the Bollinger Bands right here. That's so cool, man. A bunch of different sell-offs. And that's something I like, you know. Red alert, everybody. Keep an eye on this. And if you have some cash in hand, and if you're already buying the dip, let's go. I'm just waiting a little bit longer. I'm waiting a little bit longer. Why not? I don't mind waiting a little bit longer. Take a look at the questions right here in the chat. What's up, fam? Welcome. Oh, under 2 is possible. I mean, no rush, really. If it happens, I'll be more than set and excited, you know, to keep buying that dip for sure. How many times we're going to get hit? Market manipulation is no joke. Hold, buy dip is the only option. Robert, 100%, man. I'm here locked in. Fully locked in. Fully locked in. That's what it is. Because, I mean, where are we else? Where are we supposed to go? To fiat? Back to dollars? I don't think so. Not going to go back to dollars. I'm buying, man. Want to get those decent cheap deals, 100%. There's no other place to go but, you know, crypto right now. 229. Hey, what's going on? The new subscribers are very happy to see you, man. All the people who are scared and sell because you got shaken out, you'll be kicking yourself. Take the bad with the good. You'll be okay in the longer run. Chipper. Yesterday, fam, I put up a video. I did really well. If you hold XRP, I got a $100 billion news for you. Reason is because you got Brad Garlinghouse replying, right, and saying how they are holding about 50 billion XRP, which totals about $100 billion. So much money, man. Well, I mean, to be fair, that's probably wrong. That's probably wrong what I just said. They probably hold less than 50 billion XRP, obviously, because that's a lot of XRP. But because they've been adding up since the price was so cheap, with maybe 10, 20 or so billion XRP, they got to a huge amount of 100 billion. I mean, that's probably what it is. That's probably what it is. I don't think I don't really think, now that I think about it, I don't really think they hold 50 billion XRP. That's so much. It's almost all the supply. I don't think so, right? I mean, half of it. So, yeah. Mm. What is going on? Anna, happy to see you. Welcome, welcome. If Garland Cow sells the XRP, will that, I mean, wouldn't the price tank? By definition, if Ripple starts selling some of their XRP in the open market, correct. But based on the track record that they've been going on so far when it comes to XRP, they don't really want to get rid of their XRP. They want to accumulate more. So that is really bullish for people who are trying to get into this community. HBAR or XRP vest returns 6 months to 1 year, bro. Thanks. What's going on, Coco? Happy to see you, man. Welcome. 97,000 for a Bitcoin right now. I'll take a look at what's popping right here. Let's see the latest. But we still come to see, the prices of everything. We got Eleanor speaking too, which is pretty cool. Big news in the legal crypto space. The judge in the SEC versus Coinbase case has stayed the lawsuit until the appeal court rules on whether investment contract. I'm telling you guys, there's so much going on, especially for us here in the US. Oh yeah, I told you this one. Let me go ahead and show you. I have a few things that I want to show you right now. You just come to X and everything's here. I'm gonna open up stock money listers too. What is this? Bitcoin new all-time high, but it's not the top. I agree. I'm gonna like this one too. Cheers, fam. How's it going? Welcome to the live, everybody. 1,600 people watching us. Red alert, price of XRP. We knew something like this was gonna happen, right? We knew it. Now what to do? I'm waiting for more blood. Why not? And if that's the case, then I'll be a winner because I'm buying the dip. A delicious, really good dip. That's kind of like where I think we're heading in this case. Right before Trump takes the oath of office, and that's it. That's probably gonna start pumping the price at the end of January as we start February. And if that's the case, then it's game over for crypto because many great news are coming, including cutting a lot of taxes. And a lot of people are wondering what's going to happen with the crypto tax, right? Imagine. The crypto tax, we need that. We need to get rid of some big, juicy, fat tax when it comes to crypto. And if that's the case, then that will just send us home very fast. Long XRP close now, or do you think it will go up a little bit more? I'm not long in anything right now, fam. When I start to see this red candle and I start to see this bearish momentum as of today, the 7th, I just let it play out. I'm not a trader per se, like a active daily trader that I'm putting my money, getting on every swing trade. I like to do that, but when I see Airside one day, 4 hour at the very bottom, then it's just a no-brainer to go in. It's a no-brainer for sure. HBAR, if anything, it's dying, bro. Hama, how is it dying? It's not dying, bro. Let it come down, right? Some of us, we really want some dips. Come on. We really want some dips. You will be growing all of waiting for the 50 cent XRP tag. What's up, Joseph? You're 100% right. Come on, man. I'm sounding like Joe Biden now. Like, for reals? I don't think 50 cents is going to ever happen again, man. Ever happen again. That's, I think, something reasonable that we're talking right now. Let me show you this one, fam, right here on the screen. In my likes, I got something for you. First, I don't know if you knew this. If you watched my video earlier today, then you know, but I want everybody on the same page. CFTC chair Rostin announces he will be stepping down on Donald J. Trump's inauguration. This is the same day as this SEC Gary Gensler is also stepping down. Guys, please, can somebody be bullish today? Can somebody raise those glasses and say, we are about to make it? Don't care about the price of XRP or about the price of Bitcoin today. Doesn't really matter. What matters is that in about a day or two, when Trump is leading this country, someday, somehow, you and I are going to witness a mega ballistic green candle, and we're going to go through the roof. Just because he's going to be in charge of fulfilling these two positions, right? And we already know who's going to be the head of the SEC. We don't know who's going to be the new head of the CFTC. So these two guys are leaving. They are leaving right now. Exactly when Trump is getting into office. Then we have, what do we have here? Oh, let me go back here. And everybody's saying this is a big legal win for Coinbase. Big news in the legal crypto space. So the chief legal officer at Coinbase, they're basically beating the SEC and beating everyone who is trying or has tried to compromise the crypto space in the last 4 years. That's what it is, man. That's what it is. If you're new here, drop a like, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells if you want more educational content, information. That's it. Everything I'm telling you right now, take it and make your own strategies, right? Don't do what I'm telling you guys. Here we are to increase our knowledge in crypto and have a great time as a community. That's it. There's no financial advice here, only good vibes with entertainment and action for me, and I'm sharing that with you guys. That's it. People get it, and we are gonna see, God willing, a multi-million portfolio in crypto because of the decisions we're making today. That's it. That's all it is. I don't want to be there by myself. I know there's a lot of people who will make it too. So I'm trying to reach out as many people I can so we can get it together, fam. Also, first link down below, everybody. Join me on BTCC, fam. Start trading, get up to 500x positions and leverage for XRP, for Bitcoin, for Ethereum. If you haven't already, you click and you will see this beautiful website, which some of you have already seen it, right? Up to 10,000 welcome bonus. No KYC, no VPN. Do your own due diligence, right? Before you use it, and enjoy. Enjoy. Ali, the house. What's up, buddy? Happy to see you. Welcome. Couldn't have said it any better, man. Let's make a lot of money. What's up, River? Nice to see you, man. My indicator is saying almost done with the dip, next hour or so. What candle are you watching right now? What time frame? Because if I open up the other side, the 1 hour, it's down now. The 4 hour, it's not truly mega down now. The 1 day, we're barely in the middle. You see that? You see that, fam? Look at that. Come on, man. Like mega pump and barely getting there. You see? The correction is not complete. I think you can see it even better on this view right now. Much better on this view. So I think we still can get some decent deals. That's what I'm waiting for. If the fact that XRP price starts, coming back up again, back to the 240, great. That means that Oscar Ramos didn't get to buy the 227 because I was greedy enough to wait for much lower prices. Because I already know sometimes something's going to happen and it's going to be a nice, delicious dump, maybe to the 208, and I'm going to start buying at that level. I can always wait. Personally. I can always wait. There's no rush in me right now. But I want to just make sure that you understand that very clearly, fam. All my coins are in the thousands. Nice, man. Let's go. You have some very powerful countries back in crypto. It will succeed, or few will. Most memes will be history. Nice. Big bull flag on this 2 hour. 2 hour. Delicious. Will be great to see another great candle sell-off. Oh, yes, please. Let me take a look at Jasmine right now. Basically the same chart. Dump, consolidation. If we come to, let's see Shiba Inu. Yep, the same chart, guys, everywhere. Dump, consolidation, somewhat. XRP, dump, consolidation. HBAR, dump, consolidate. Yep, it's the same chart everywhere, man. Everywhere you look, even Bitcoin right now. Oh, I don't see Bitcoin, sorry. There it is. My bad. The same chart in all of the in most of the TA right now. Let me take a look at Ethereum. The same, basically, which that indicates get ready for more blood on the streets. Ethereum, man. Oh boy, Ethereum. I miss you, Ethereum, for a while. Come on. Dumb. Market manipulation. Oh, we like the market manipulation sometimes because it allows for a lot of people to come in, man. That's just kind of like the reality of crypto, man. And the liquidations will continue, FYI, for the rest of today. So get ready. Get super mega ready, everybody. If you have some X account by any man, don't forget to follow us right there. You will see the link there in the chat. If you have an X account, got over 83,000 followers. So thanks so much to all the community. Right now, I told my audience on this video, on this sub, I told my audience right now that I'm just kind of waiting. In this case, this post was on the 5th, right? So typically I tell you what I'm buying right there. I update that as much as I can. So just FYI, trying to keep my community informed of all the positions that we made. Plus, like I've told you before, guys, we'll keep you also in the know once we start selling. When will we start selling? Well, not even close to right now in January. First, we need to see BTC breaking all-time high of $100 and plus $1,000, right? 110 for the first time. So we gotta see that first and see the price go through the $150,000 BTC. But there's still a lot, some time for you to prepare. Just make sure, that you are in crypto at the time. Make sure that you are in. I'll be pretty upset if I got liquidated just because I over leveraged. Bradley, it's true. I got liquidated a few times. It is what it is. Not with a lot of money, of course, but I mean, sometimes you just kind of want to, keep trying and try new things. Hold your backs until the very end. Even if you lose it all, keep holding your backs. No, I don't subscribe to that. You gotta always take profits and put yourself first. Gotta take some profit sometimes. There's nothing wrong with that, you know? Good, delicious profits. That's what it is. Ondo coin. Oh, yeah, of course. We got some Ondo. That's a good one, man. Don't forget about the good Ondo. That one, in my opinion, should be a decent one for sure. Ondo. What is this? Huh. I got a scam email from Nvidia, which is not Nvidia, right? But somebody trying to pose as Nvidia wants to collaborate. Man, so many scammers nowadays. They're trying to take advantage of everyone. It's crazy. Donnie, no, bro. No, my Donnie, no. Thank you so much for the kind donation. Appreciate it, brother. January the 20th. I know, right? Date, Conchi. What's up, buddy? You ready for some nice booms? I am too, man. I am too. It's a few, more days, 13 more days for us to witness some pretty delicious manipulation and price sell-offs, and pumping for sure. That's what's gonna happen, man. What's cooking the whole market down? Been any news triggering it? Actually, just good news overall. It's just that Donald J. Trump spoke earlier today. Probably he scared the markets a little bit. Let me go ahead and give it a look. If that's the case, then that's probably why. Dow 0.13.73, 1 point. Well, actually, the markets are pretty decent, They haven't changed much. I mean, they're down right now, all the indexes, but not much. It's mostly crypto right now. Mostly crypto. Are we expecting to see another drop below $2 for RSL before the inauguration? John, I'm ready if that happens, I'm very happy to see XRP holding the line at around 2.28, 2.20, 2.40 for a long time. But that's why, the question is, do you think what's going to happen? And if I take a look at my views right here, right? This is the latest, right now you've seen what I'm showing you right now on the screen, everybody. It's like the long view of XRP. If we go to the 1 hour right now, like, so everybody gets it very nicely, right? Check this out. I've been watching this with you religiously, basically since the very beginning of 2025. And we were starting to see something right here, right about here. And I'm like, let's go, because it follows accordingly. I mean, based on this top price of XRP, but price came back up in a nice bull trap, right? And I'm like, okay, whatever. I can wait. I don't have I'm not rushing. But look at this one. Big fat sell-offs right now in the volume. That would indicate that I think there's some people that are now waiting for a price like this. See that? So it just makes total sense. Makes total sense right now. There's really, do we have, oh, I see. So we do have some consolidation level at this price. That is what you're seeing, that the price is stopping at 229 right there. One of the reasons that it's stopping at 229, because we do have a level to play around with. There's some people that are trading right now, killing each other and just trying to see who wins. You can tell right here, if we go back, that the entire month of December, we've been hovering this level for such a long time. But this descending wedge, descending price channel, I'm looking at more deals coming in throughout the day. Just get excited and get ready, man. You don't want to be catching a falling knife and buying, and then the dip continues growing and growing and growing on you. You see? That's something that is not to be allowed for anybody who's trying to make some decent cash and money, man. Just FYI. But some Wolf real traders love blood 100% and 100%. You're right. You're right. The real traders love the markets like this because they can make so much money trading, fam. It's true. You are correct, man. Let me take a look at something real quick right here. Always really happy to see you, everybody. Coming at you with a red alert XRP live. We're watching and seeing if indeed we're gonna come every single tick. We're here with you guys. No worries. If you have any questions or so, let us know in the comments right now. Very happy to have you. And I just wanted to make sure to explain this tiny bit better. There it is. Come here. Put this one right here. Let's go. Perfect. Nice. I think we're gonna go about the 10th. I see, that's pretty cool. Bull running sober? No, I don't think so, fam. Let me close this one right here. And this is Bitcoin XRP. Very good. There it is. Keep going down, please. I know, right? A lot of people want to see that, fam. A lot of people want to see stuff like that. No worries. You're not the only one. You are not the only one. And this is going to be the page that you're going to see once you click the first link down below. It takes a few seconds to join. And these are all the great ones, guys. If you want to start trading, I take in the opportunity. I'm trading, but I'm waiting for the right prices to come in. I'm not rushing, everybody. So join me and get some nice deposit bonuses on the house with BTCC. 228 once again, 96,000 once again. You see how we had a nice 15-minute up candle. And now once again, it's coming down right now. As predicted. As predicted right here. Let's see if we can get a much lower entry for the price of everything here on the screen. No matter what happens from now to January the 20th, we won't even remember this holding backs surge. You're totally right, man. Absolutely right. It's true. It's true. It is true, man. When are we going to see $3 XRP? Well, in January 2025, I will say that is a great date, honestly. January the 2025. Sometime. I think after the 20th, we should be with no problem able to see a nice comeback. And if not, then soon in Q1. Not a problem. Giovanni, what's up, buddy? Welcome. Welcome. Future, are you here, brother? No worries. I think Aiden Fox comments was nice, was decent. That's totally fine. I know she's like been repeating, but that's okay. That's okay. No problem. People are buying the dips. Amazing. I know, right? You're seeing right there. No worry, Future. You're getting used to. That's fine. Spam, what I mean spam is like consecutively and something that has nothing to do right with the topic. And you will see sometimes how they're spamming bot comments or anything that has no relation to what we're talking about. You will see that, right? But anything regarding XRP, obviously people want to get their question answered, right? And I want to answer, but I'm just kind of going through many right now. No worries. It's doing really well now, going below 2. Oscar, when to buy? Mentioned that throughout the 50-minute live that we have right now. I'm looking at about $2 plus. That is my entry, man. Crypto has no intrinsic value like precious metals. That's something that color of real money is staying right now. Levels to buy, Oscar, 2. I think throughout the day right now, you're going to start to see a lot of great entries. Just keep an eye on that. Let me take a look at HBAR right now because I think HBAR, we came down to the 29 from the 4 hour. Ooh, look at this one. What a killer. What a decent one, like 33 cents right here. This happened today at 2 a.m. No way, man. Today at 2 a.m., guys. 33 cents for one H bar. That was a great price, actually. I mean, I was in the money at 2 a.m. Big in the money because I went all in on the price of H bar. I think I did it like around 32 or so. So at 2 a.m., oof, what a nice trade that would have been. But immediately dropping, guys. 11% right now for H bar. Solana. Big drop on Solana too, guys, just FYI. So there's a lot of great deals right now. Things can get much better. That's why I think people are just trying to, liquidate some longs out of the equation right now. That happens. That happens a lot. Traders don't make money, only about 5% of day traders. That's true. You're right. You're right. Not many traders make a lot of money. You are 100% right. One of the reasons, right, that I prefer to invest long term. That totally makes sense. Hi, Oscar, a big question. Buy 3,000 by 2.22. Do you think still a good year? But thank you. 222? I mean, if you're not selling, right, by the end of the week, 222, 210, 220, that's all still totally fine, Still good levels, in my opinion. Great levels, in my opinion, for you to get. But I'm greedy here, and I'm not mind waiting a little bit longer. That's what it is. Don't mind waiting a little bit longer for anything to come. You're never broke. You're never gonna go broke by taking profits. XRP armor. You're right, man. You're absolutely right. I mean, sometimes you do want to take profits just to make sure that you have some great consolidations and gains. You want to have gains. It's important to have gains. Check this out, what it is. Top 5 global adopters of crypto in 2024, according to Chain Analysis. And we have India, Nigeria, Indonesia, United States, and Vietnam. Guess what's going to be the number one in 2025 when Donald J. Trump really wants it to be? The United States. It's true. They really wanted to make it the United States for this one, guys. So I think it's going to be a pretty good battle to see which region of the world will take the number one place. Oh, come on. We're seeing some nice candles right there. Keep an eye on that, guys. Keep an eye on that for sure. Guys, look for yourselves at January the 2021 XRP charts. It might be repeating 2021, the before the pump of our lives. Oh, yes, man. That's true. What's up, brother? Your thoughts on Kronos? Kronos, for me, I'm just holding that beauty, guys. I'm not really worried much. I know it's going to do well. It's just that it's not really a big mover right now. It's 16 cents, 15 cents. It probably went down, right? Let me take a look at that. 15 cents. 14 cents, actually. 14.9. So, yeah, CRO is one of those that there's huge potential for the company, but the token, it really doesn't move much right now lately. It's true. Good or bad time to buy? Whenever you see red candles, it's always a decent opportunity to look the TA and analyze if the chance is now. When the candles are green, I try to avoid it, and I'm just celebrating with the community, right? I like to celebrate with the community once the candles are going up. But when the candles are going down in the red, that's when I try to eat everybody. That's when you try to get something in my humble opinion. Who is holding at a loss? I want to encourage you to think of the long term of the goal. Planets, what's up, buddy? Welcome. Should I be worried about XRP drop? No. I don't think you should be worried. Let's go ahead and play this one, fam. I think people need it. I think people need it. Digital. Everyone, relax and enjoy what I'm about to play to you. You need to listen. It seems that you didn't watch that video. No worries. I'll help you out on that. Shout out to the digital asset investor, because he brought these awesome clips, for all of us to enjoy. And are you ready for this? That's the only thing I'm going to ask you. Are you ready?
So, as I'm sure many people who follow you are well aware, and I know you know this pretty well. The stablecoin market today, globally.
That's not the one.
Years ago, before Biden was elected,
that's not the one.
That long ago, that XRP was the second most valuable digital asset.
That's one, and this is it.
I don't think about it as a kind of.
Yes, this is the one. Chris, thanks for all the knowledge. Best crypto channels. Appreciate it, Chris. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. All right, listen to this. While we see the price of XRP once again at 2.27. Oh boy.
So, I don't think about it as a kind of there's up to the minute valuation stuff. But I think it's safe to assume that the 11 billion is very outdated at this point. The total value of the XRP we own now exceeds 100 billion.
What did he say? What did he say? Everybody, let's repeat it once again. So whenever you hear and see your portfolio in the red, they don't care it's in the red. They keep holding the bag. Once again,
billion is very outdated at this point. The total value of the XRP we own now exceeds 100 billion. And that is, another mark. One of the things I don't know how to get my head around exactly is, the way that Ripple has traded in the secondary private markets has been at a significant discount to net asset value. Some would say MicroStrategy is comparable in some ways, but trades at I think 3x premium to net asset value. And you think, that's interesting. Again, I'm not anti MicroStrategy. I hope is a massive success and keeps doing what they're doing. And look, Ripple has been in a position where we have not prioritized going public. That didn't really make any sense.
What he's about to say right here helps me. I'm not going to say it because this is PG-13, right? Although if I say something like this, I'm going to sound weird. But guys, some of you are mature enough to know where I'm heading with this. What he's saying right here is like, oh, no way.
In the previous SEC administration, maybe that changes in the future. And, we'll evaluate that as things unfold.
Translation, they're going to probably go public in this upcoming 4 years. Translation. Now, you tell me exactly. Oh, I love my community, man. I love my community. You know me. But I didn't say it. So I'm not getting banned. I didn't say it. Guys, we're gonna make so much money, my friends, God willing. This is one of the biggest videos, right? And that's why I made it yesterday. And thank you so much for the kind support, guys, because we're really reaching a lot of people. Now, this is another one. So I watched 2. I didn't know there were more. There are 5. I watched 2. So I want to watch the rest. I watched this one. I watched this one. So let's see what this one is about. I don't know. So let's find out.
Only going to have the winners once you really have the scaled utility, the scaled use cases that are solving real problems for customers. I think we probably all agree that right now there's a lot of speculation in the market and that some utility, some other pieces, but Ripple has always tried to focus on, okay, we're solving problems for customers. We're not trying to lean into meme coins, for example. You can use the XRP ledger as open source technology to do meme coins if you would choose to do so. And frankly, there are examples of that happening on the XRP ledger because it's open source technology. Ripple, and like, how do we build trust, is how do we make sure that, you know, our customers understand, you know, where the kind of products we're bringing to market and that they work well and they're adding value. And yeah, I feel very good. It's been a long journey. In some ways, ironically, maybe the SEC lawsuit against Ripple added trust to some degree, you know, because we prevailed, well, because we fought the fight and, you know, prevailed on the kind of the key points that mattered. I think a lot of people, it built trust as well. And so I do feel good about, you know, how Ripple has emerged from some of this. But I also would say, to my earlier point, I think we're still in the early days.
$2.28, and we are still in the early days. 2.28. Right now, my XRP profits exceed 150% return. My XRP profits exceed over 100% return. And we are in the early days. Somebody. So they obviously have the intention to continue building. And he's like, meme coins, not really. That's not what we want to be known for, right? Which I get it. I respect that. But obviously, I mean, the community, once you give a blockchain and a ledger to the community is going to do whatever they want, right? So interesting video. I really like it. Let's watch the first one right here. We have 1, 2, 3. This was about the going public and how much they own. This one was about the meme coins and the early days, and they're obviously crushing it. This one was about the ETF, and I mean, I can play it again. Now, I don't know about these two. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one right now, or this one. This is 1 minute and 50 seconds. Welcome, everybody. Happy to have you.
Yeah, I mean, like years ago, before Biden was elected, you know, what we were, the words I used to use is like, I just want a level playing field. Like the US government shouldn't be picking winners and losers. And, you know, as much as I'm pro Bitcoin and pro ETH, you know, the SEC, I mean, people forget this, but XRP used to be the second most valuable digital asset after Bitcoin. The United States SEC then gets involved in picking winners and saying, hey, ETH gets a pass, but XRP doesn't. And look, this is very, in my view, very un-American. And to your point, I think it used to be, I just asked for a level playing field. It does feel like, and I think certainly what, if you look at the crypto markets as a barometer, it would, you know, this administration is putting America first. And, well, I mean, we shall see. It's still, you know, there's things to play out and things to happen. But I think indications are that, you know, if, for example, there's some talk about a crypto reserve, you know, and I think that would end up including Bitcoin and other technologies, which, you know, frankly, just makes sense from a diversification point of view. And so I'm very optimistic that it is a new dawn.
And I wonder what other technologies mean, you know? What other technologies mean, maybe Ethereum? And what is out there after Ethereum? Give me a second. Let me see. What other technology? Oh, yes, of course. XRP. The moment Eric Trump, Donald John Trump Jr., right? Because they're going to be the ones. They always have their mouths open. They're always going to be telling and talking to people what's ahead. They might say, oh, yeah, guys, and we still have, you know, Raider adding tokens like XRP and HBAR and all of that. And at that moment, I was like, boom, balloon to the moon. Because not only they don't have an ETF in place right now, but now they're telling me that the son of the president, the team behind the crypto strategy for this current new administration, is considering XRP as a technology, which makes total sense, right? Therefore, there's an intrinsic value to holding XRP, and there's a great case, you know, to buy this crypto. So exciting, man.
for the crypto industry in the United States. The United States has led in many technical innovations, and it was leading in crypto, and some of the leading global companies are based here in the United States. But the last handful of years in the Biden administration have been very hostile towards crypto, maybe amongst the most hostile on the planet, and that's coming to an end. So that's going to be good for the companies that Ripple included.
There you go. Great videos, man. Great videos. And this is the last one, or like the first one, right? All of these are great for guys. We got 1,700, 1,600 people watching us. Some people are already bored or tired of seeing the chart, not doing much. But if you want to get bullish in crypto, if you want to understand why I'm here explaining the reason why I'm loading on this cryptocurrency, even though I already have a lot of it, but I want more. The reason why I believe HBAR and Ondo and Ethereum and other different great technologies will change the world when it comes to the economy and finance is because of what he's talking about, guys. We're in the early days, and it's going to change the world in the United States eventually. We don't want to keep using fiat, because we know they can keep printing and printing and printing. There's really no incentive to use it, because we know the buying power of fiat, it drops so fast. So are we better off with something like Bitcoin, even though it's volatile? As you see right now on the screen, we got some red candles today. And if that's the reason why we're supposed to drop it, where were you 3 days ago when it was all about green candles? I told you on that day, fam, I'm holding cash, and I had like 1,000 back then, and then 2,000, and then 3,000. Now I have $6,000 just holding. I'm still haven't bought anything. Still haven't bought anything, because I know that much better deals are to come. Just because it's just time, according to the TA, period, fam. If you're enjoying the conversation, guys, smash the like button immediately right now, everybody. Turn on those notification bells. We got over 1,700 people, over 500 likes. Appreciate you guys a lot. And I want to thank to all my donors and all the new subscribers and all the new people watching, guys. If you come here to see some red candles, where you're getting some red candles. You're getting some red candles right now. Give it up to those XRP holders, man. Let's go. Don't you know, dump it up. You gotta dump it up. Don't you know, dump it up. You gotta dump it up. Sometimes it's about to dump it, man. Right? 2.26. Once again, 2.26. Come on, baby. Give it to me. So ready. So these are great videos, and I'm sure that I'm gonna keep making it. I'm gonna keep making some updates about those videos, because these are great videos in my opinion. Really gives you an idea, right? Can anyone explain how the entire crypto market drops at the exact same time? I understand it follows Bitcoin, but it doesn't follow. But it doesn't follow. It happens at the same time. I don't get it. That's what people are saying. Market cap is impacted by the market sentiment and Bitcoin sentiment dominance. Correct. Just institutional traders knocking out the retail traders so they can buy crypto before the upcoming bull run. Do I say it in Spanish, maybe, so people get it? Just manipulation before the bull run. That's what it is. That's what it is. Not selling anything. Not selling anything. Your faves are on discount. Your faves are on discount. $500,000 views. What happens when the world realizes that XRP will be the basket of the US digital asset strategic reserve? Imagine, baby. Crazy stuff, fam. Crazy stuff.
About making Canada 51st state of the United States. The leader of the
As some of you know, guys, there was a Mar-a-Lago, press conference. Donald J. Trump speaking for like an hour, so he spoke on everything. So I think right now it's a great day. Like I tweeted this one, Trump versus reporters again, because there's a lot of people watching right now. I miss that a lot. I miss the back and forth, finally having someone who can answer a question, guys. Finally reason and no more, come on, man. And what was the other one? Look. And, so many of those expressions. Like finally someone that thinks about cool answers and we can get some decent change done. It's really refreshing. January the 20th, what will happen? A bunch of things that I gotta tell you. Good time to buy. Some people are doing it for sure. I'm selling off some of my other holdings. I'm buying more XRP. Tom in the house. What's up, buddy? Welcome. We're giving you a lot of info right now, guys. Giving you a lot of info, and we still have 1,700 people with us right now. What's up? We excited and ready, man. Stay strong, 100%, man, 100%. Stay strong, 100%. I'm just getting all my Robinhood notifications right now. All the Robinhood notifications right now. Basically, are you buying? Are you selling? Crazy stuff. How much XRP for a tank? Oscar, don't be selfish. Please let us know when you're buying XRP. Chris, are you new here, bro, or what? I always tell you when I'm buying XRP, dude. You might be new, bro. I always tell you guys when I literally make videos saying I went all in. People call me out saying, dude, you keep saying that you're going all in. I'm like, yeah, because I have different baskets, right? I'm not just putting everything and all my money in one crypto. Come on. I tell people when I buy. I haven't said when I sell because I haven't sold, right? So I'm kind of waiting for that. Okay, then tell us when you're selling. I will, Robert. Yes. Like I said, some people will not like it. But if the 1,700 people watching here right now have some decent clock in your mind as far as it's time to take profits, then you guys will agree with me, right? But later on in 2025, there's going to be a lot of people who will be blinded by the lights. They'll be blinded by the lights and they'll be like, no, it will never dump. It will never dump. Let me just continue buying and holding and buying. And that's when I will be like, goodbye. And they'll be like, Oscar, you sold. You are the worst. You are taking profit. No, you are evil. I mean, whatever they're going to call me back, in the future. And I'm like, thank you guys. It was awesome being here. I'll be watching from the sidelines with my profits because that's the way to do it, man. Eventually, man. Profit taking won't be until after summer at least. It's true, man. It's true. It is true for sure. Some great news, man. I enjoyed my Gulf of Mexico. Bitcoin is down over $5,500 today. HODL. Oh, look at this. Looks like Bitcoin was the best performing asset for 2024. And then digital asset says, newsflash, XRP outperformed Bitcoin in 2024. Oh, man. That's so exciting, bro. Kratos. This was posted 20 minutes ago. Latest $17 million Ethereum long position has been liquidated. Poor people. Dude, Ethereum was $3,700, bro. A $17 million position, Ethereum, gone, bro. Gone. Cooked on Binance. And I'm here complaining for my $6,000 that I'm holding to wait for a decent price. You guys know the difference right here? Why am I? I'm not. I'm just holding and chilling. Somebody, some of us, a soldier, someone that should have added a stop loss. $17 million gone, man. Crazy. Oh, brother. I'm with you, Oscar, 100%. Sigala, what's up, buddy? Happy to see you. Trump must be really high demand and investors are actively buying the XRP right now, I think, which is showing strong interest and confidence in its potential. It's not only us, the retail investors, bro, but it's also XRP Ripple. It's like Brad, it's everybody, basically, you know, in the crypto space. Everyone is super bullish as to what Trump is going to come and say that's going to help the entire industry. And we want that, man. We truly, truly, truly want that for sure. Don't you know, dump it up. You gotta dump it down. And don't you know, dump it down. Come on, baby. Don't sell. Be patient, brother. I've been holding here since February of last year. Sigala. Oh, man, you're a good one then. Well done, bro. Well done. The green bars look delicious. You know me, brother. Ethereum right now. I know. Crazy, right? Guys, I have a dentist appointment in about 2 hours. So we good, right? We good. But in 2 hours, I wonder. I'll be getting my teeth done. But I wonder, you know what the price is going to do 2 hours from now. I'll be chilling just like falling asleep. I always like to fall asleep when I go to the dentist. Getting taken care of. XRP Black Friday, just more. My portfolio is stronger today because I subscribed to Oscar Ramos. Dude! Don't you know? Dump it. Appreciate it, Rich. Happy to have you, buddy. Welcome. We don't always get it right. And I tell you when I make a mistake. I tell you when I make mistakes. You know, when guys, I was wrong. But after a long time in crypto, well, sometimes you get it. Me too, being drilled when the God candle hits. We need that money, bro. It's the dentists. They're pretty expensive. Yeah, you know. LOL, Oscar, I'm a dentist watching you between patients. No way, really? We have a professional dentist right here with us. What's up, buddy? Happy to have you, Fernandez. Let's go, bro. I'm so thankful they don't know, right, much about crypto, because imagine talking about crypto and getting my... No, bro, that's dangerous, bro. I will get excited and keep talking about Bitcoin and XRP and Chronos, and then... No, we don't want that. Greetings from Netherlands. Buying the dip, thinking long term. Oscar, keep that energy 100%, bro. You know it. Can we celebrate that Sir Oscar didn't have 1 hour timer for this stream? Appreciate it, Rodrigo. Will do, bro. I've been holding. You've been holding 6 years, but I built up 227,000 XRP and 287,000 XLM. Thankfully, we have no idea who you are, and I like that you don't have your real name right there, obviously. Well, definitely we have a whale with us right here. Thank you for being here with us, man. You've been buying since the last 6 years. You've been accumulating for the last 6 years, and you have close to 250,000 XRP. Decent, man. Well done. Well done. It's a lot of money, man. A lot of money. Crypto dentist. Appreciate it, man. Is 3K H-bar good for a beginner? Yeah, of course. Whatever you have is good for a beginner. Whatever, I take some XRP. I'll be paying with fiat. Fiat. Nobody wants fiat. No, man, that's pretty cool. Whatever you have to invest in the market, do not compare to anyone. Buy what you can afford. Enjoy your position. and exit when you want and you think it's right. And that's it. Nobody here is going to bash you. Nobody here is going to make fun of you. No, it's your money. You take care of it. But let me tell you something, guys. I'm not selling right now because I know we're going to go much higher. Long time no Shiba Inu. Yeah, we talk about Shiba Inu for sure. Been talking more about XRP because I want to, but Shiba Inu, it's always here. I think I made a beat about Shiba Inu a couple days ago, but Shiba Inu right now, it was at 224. Oh man, what a nice drop on Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, once it drops, it really drops. So again, another chance to buy the dip for SHIB. That's what it is. Guys, we have 4,000 votes right now. XRP price heading next. $3, $2, $2 flat under $2. There's a lot of people that are saying $3 right here for sure. Millionaires being minted 100%, man. It's true. It's true. Let's see what else we can find. Let's take a look at Cointelegraph right now. It's crazy, man. That I gotta tell you, it's crazy, crazy, crazy. Trump will allocate $20 billion for the construction of new data centers in the US. This comes after Microsoft announces an $80 billion investment in building AI-focused data centers here in the United States, of course. Make America great again, you know? It's coming in less than 3 weeks. In less than 3 weeks, guys. Obviously, I'll be live by then. Everybody's gonna be live by then. We all are gonna broadcast and live stream the inauguration. It's happens to be Martin Luther King Day, so on Monday. So no one is gonna go to work if you work, in academia or so. So it will be a pretty important date for sure, that inauguration. So guys, stay ready, stay put. 100%. What is happening now? Well, we're seeing some nice manipulation and we're watching and buying the dip if you want, right? For sure. Waiting a little bit longer, but I know nothing's wrong, right? Nothing's wrong. It's just that people want to shake out some people, some weak paper hands, and that's okay. That happens a lot of the times. Are you counting the appeal of the SEC? What you mean, brother? The one that is going to be dismissed, the entire Ripple case? Because that will be dismissed. And imagine once that becomes breaking news eventually, 4.1 thousand votes, guys. Everybody is looking at either $3 or under $2 with 22%. We'll get to see, I believe, by the end of the week. It's just barely Tuesday, so it's early. It gives us a chance, guys, to bring the dips and buy those discount levels. 100%. Everybody, 1 hour and a half. That's decent, guys. That's super decent. 90 minutes streaming. Come on. Give it up for you guys. I want to say super thank you for joining us on this one. I hope you had a great time. That's the important part of this equation, right? That we all can come together and have a nice conversation. So before you leave, everyone, give us a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so very much for the kind donations, for your comments, for your questions. We'll keep you updated with the latest as always. And just stay safe, man. We're so close. Things are about to get insane. And wow, I just can't wait to see it with my own eyes. All right? I really can't. But we're going to do it together. So stay tuned and you will get to see all those updates. If you haven't already, consider clicking on the first link down below to join my BTCC link so you can trade here in the US and Canada. All great, guys. Click, make your account in a few seconds, and you'll be able to start trading, guys. Get all of these great perks, deposit bonuses, up to 10,000 welcome per user bonuses as well, and a 500x leverage with no VPN or KYC. I met him in Singapore last year, and they've been in business for over 13 years. If you have a problem with BTCC, let me know. I'm going to get to them. There shouldn't be any problems, guys. They know how to do business. That's one of the reasons that we are collaborating in this case. All right? So we'll keep it like that. No more games. No more games. That being said, everybody, thanks so much for watching, guys. Please be safe. God bless you all. I got to prepare for my dentist appointment. I want to eat something before I leave because I'm hungry. But I'm also going to relax and continue watching the charts, as you know. Have a good one, guys. Welcome, future XRP millionaire, for your awesome, promo to moderator. Join the many moderators that we have. Great people. And let's see what happens by the end of this Tuesday, all right? You guys take care. I'll see you next time, guys. Peace. Let's go. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it.